Okay, perfect. Welcome. All right, so as of right now, we're inside the app Robinhood. All right, so this is on the Android version on the Note 10 Plus. It can be looking different if it's on the iOS, which is a iPhone. All right, so these are the few stocks that I have. This is just on a dummy account. Well, I ain't gonna say dummy account. This is a new account, put like that. All right, so here is the bonus part about it. That's the reason why I wanted to start it over, so that way you all can see a step by step and grow this exactly how the vision that you need to have it in your mindset. All right, so look in the top right hand corner up here, it says free stock. All right, so when you click on that, you have invite contact and also share link. All right, so get this, as of right now, if I invite 3 people to Robinhood, I get my 4th bonus stock for free. Now let me backtrack. Every time that I invite somebody to Robinhood, I automatically get a free stock. You see where I'm going with it? Here's the great part about it. When they sign up with Robinhood, they do not have to put in their debit card or any of the information yet. I will repeat. When they download the app and they put their first name, last name information in and an email address, and once they signed up, they do not have to put in their debit card yet. They automatically going to get a free stock. How great is that? Now, this is how it's about to get good and great. So let me take my pen out. Okay. So, let's do this. Let's discard it. Sorry about this, you all. Take my pen back out. Let's write on a clear note. Okay. Alrighty. Let me bring this over here. Alright, perfect. So, this is going to be Robinhood app. Okay. Now, you already got your free stock when you first signed up. Alright. Because why? Because either me or somebody else invited you to Robinhood, so that's how you got a free stock. All right, now say for example, this right here, this is you. All right, which is me. Okay, so when you invite somebody else, let's put number 1, then you get a free stock and they get a free stock. All right, and say for example, I told 3 more other people, this is 2, 3, and 4. I got, now these lines right here is going to be representing how many stocks I got. So first one was this free one right here. It's 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, and 5. All right, so how the remedy still go? I got a free stock. They got a free stock. Free. I got a free stock. They got a free stock. Free. I got a free stock. They got a free stock. Free. Okay, so check this out. Again, you started off as a free person. All right, you got a stock for free. You told somebody, they signed up. They got a free stock. You got a free stock. You told somebody else, they got a free stock. You got a free stock. You told somebody else, they got a free stock. You got a free stock. You told somebody else, they got a free stock. You got a free stock. Now, let me go ahead and click on save. Now, what does it say right here? It says invite 3 friends right here. Invite 3 friends and get a free 4th bonus stock. Okay, so let me just go back to my board again. So if I already had that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 free stocks already, check this out. You telling me after I invited that 1st, 2nd, and 3rd person, remember I ain't inviting 4. Separate that part right there. Out these 3, I gained 1 stock, 2 stock, 3 stock, and then you said by me getting you 3 people, you're gonna give me the 4th one for free. All right, so typically instead of it having 5 stock, since you gave me that free one because I brought in 3 people, how many free stocks I got? 6 free stocks. Listen to me, ladies and gentlemen. You will have free 6 stocks. Okay? It doesn't matter. Well, I can say it does matter about the age difference. If you actually underage, actually talk to your parents. Game them on this information. Let them take a look at this video. Rewind, pause, fast forward. Write down this information. Explain this to them. So that way, you all, if it's going to be just you, make the income so that way you can get your parents on it. Or if you're teaching your parents and you all doing it at the same time, both of you all is actually looking to it at the same time and learning great information. All right? Or parents, if you're learning it for yourself and then you want to actually teach this to your kids, you all is able to still look at this video, or you can teach this to them. All right? Now again, if I just got 4 stocks right here, plus I got the free one when I first signed up, that's 5, and then plus this 4th one right here, that makes it 6 free stocks. All right, go ahead and click on save, and guess what? And rinse and repeat. Keep doing that, and guess what? You're gonna have stocks that you never paid for, and it's making money. Crack the codes. Let's go. Okay? Let's go! All right? Let's keep this trucking. Keep this information going. Start telling people about this. Be on game with this. I know everybody's kind of skeptical as when you got to put in your debit card, things of that sort. You do not have to put in your debit card. If you don't have an email address, go make one up. Go get one. Make it something as where that you're going to be using, because why? Your stock is tied to it, okay? So this is actually a mic. We actually talked about Robinhood, gave you some free bonus tip information. Keep this knowledge rocking, keep it going, tell everybody about it, and let's go ahead and start this new journey together. Stay tuned for the next episode.